Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make these super pretty streamer ribbons. Now I've done 7 lots times 50 centimeters each, and you need 2 each colour. Now in order for me to show you this, if I sat here and did a whole 50 centimeter one on camera, it takes a good 5 to 6 minutes per streamer. So I'm just going to show you on this one piece and then show you how to attach it to the bobble. And you'll need your scissors to cut all your ribbon. You'll need your glue gun just to do the ends of your streamers. Tape measure to measure everything. Bobble to attach it to, and your lighter to heat seal your ends. And a little bit of 9mm, I'm doing black with the rainbow to attach it to the bobble, and cover that up in a minute. I'm just going to show you on these yellow pieces here. Okay, so heat seal both ends. And we want a tiny dot of glue just there. And I do mean the tiniest bit. That is more than enough. And we do this, so you've got this look. And we're going to do another little dot of glue just here, just to make sure the end's nice and secure. Like I said, teeny tiny amount. And we fold that up like so. Make sure you got all your excess out the way. So you have this. Right, and what we do is fold over, across, over, across, over, across, over, across, over, across, over, across, and again just keep going over and across until you get towards the end of your streamer. Like I said, not complicated. The only thing I will say is if you're going to make these, especially if you're selling, take into consideration the time and the amount of ribbon that you'll put into each one, because to do ones that end up this length, you're putting in 1 meter of ribbon into each streamer. So take that into consideration when you're pricing and how long it actually takes you to complete each one. Good, just keep doing that. And we're almost at the end. So when you get to that point, what I do is I've got a little clip here. I'm just going to use that to hold that. And a little bit of glue. Oh, that is far too much glue. You didn't see that? I will say on that, my glue gun is only at 60 watts today, not my normal 100, so, and I have no sensation to my fingertips most days. There we go. Just fold over like so. Let's move my glue stringies out of the way so they're not making a mess. We're just going to cut that little bit of excess off there and heat seal that. And then actually a tiny dot of glue this time instead of that amount. Okay, a little bit this time. Fold that over, and again cut off that excess ribbon there and heat seal like so. And what I do, just to make sure it's nice and secure. So you've got that at the end, and that's what it looks like at the minute. I'm going to put another dot of glue there and glue it against this side, just so it doesn't feel like it's going to pop open. I'll just do that like so. That's what it looks like. This is what you get. This twisted streamer effect. You could do a very short one using 2x25 and do shorter versions. It's entirely up to you. You can do whatever length looks nicest to you. And what I've got is, excuse the glue on my fingers, my needle and thread. And I've got a hair tie or a hair bobble in a second, depending where you're from. And I fold these in half, like so. Work out a natural place to put your thread through. And repeat on all of your ends. Just keep threading. Fold in half. Thread it on, fold in half, thread, fold in half, thread, fold in half, thread, fold in half, thread. And I do something a little bit different. I actually thread through the seam of the bobble and pull that all the way up like so, and then take your natural wrap and wrap that round a couple of times. Now I prefer this to gluing to hold in place because I feel like it's a lot more secure. And if you get a nice bit thick hair tie, you won't do any damage to it and it will be super secure like so. Once I've done that round a couple of times, again you can go back through that bobble and stitch it off like you would a bit of ribbon. Like so. Cut that excess off, put that out of the way. So this is what you're left with, as you can see, all nice and full. That sits really nicely on a child's head. And we're just going to wrap the middle. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here. And I put that on the back of the bobble there. And again, use where you've just wrapped your centre on that. Round once, get it nice and tight. Round twice, work out where your excess is, put that a little bit off, each other end, tiny touch of glue here, hold that in place a second. And there you go. In this case, I've got a lovely rainbow streamer. This is what you should end up like. And I don't know about you, but I used to make these quite often as a child. I used to make quite a few, you know, when you're doing paper chains in school. That's the same principle of this. It's a lot easier than it looks. It's just the same principle as cork bobbles. I personally don't make very many, purely because they take quite a bit of time to do them properly, and like I said, but you can't argue with the results. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I release more videos. It is normally on a Tuesday or a Friday, but at the moment it's whenever I'm in the mood to upload, which is quite often while I'm off. So thank you for watching. I do also have a Facebook group under the same name, Catherine's Ribbon Tutorials and Follow Alongs, so do come and join me over there, or show me any of the creations that you've made using my tutorials. I absolutely love seeing them, and if you need any more help or advice or anything like that, do feel free to message me or ask me over there and I'll help you any more if you need it. Thanks for watching, bye!